Welcome to our video tutorial on how to fix the issue where the mouse moves but can't click on any elements in Windows 10. In this video, we will show you how to resolve it in just a few simple steps. Press the Ctrl+Shift+S keys on your keyboard to open the Task Manager. This shortcut will directly open the Task Manager without requiring any clicks. Once the Task Manager opens, since we are unable to click on anything, we will navigate through the options using the Tab key. Press the Tab key repeatedly until you reach the desired section. Now, using the arrow down and up keys, navigate within the Task Manager until you find Windows Explorer. With Windows Explorer selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard to end the task. This action will momentarily create a black screen. After ending the task, navigate to the top of the Task Manager, click on File. A drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, select Run New Task. This will open the Run box. In the Run box, type Explorer and press Enter. This action will restart the Windows Explorer and resolve the mouse clicking issue, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix the issue where your mouse moves, but you can't click on any elements in Windows 10. We hope this video was helpful to you. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.